Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nurse Monique here again. Okay, today I think this will be my first vlog. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I also do aside being a nurse. Yeah, I also own a pig farm, and I'm going to show you guys. It's not one modernized pig farm, but yeah. And in the community where I am, because where I am currently is in Plateau State, but where my pig farm is like in a community, and in this community they have a lot of pig farms. A lot of people deal on pigs here because they eat it, and it's a very good business for people here. So today I have some buyers that are coming to buy my piglets. One of my dam gave birth. I still have 2 dam that will be giving birth soon, probably next week. So I'm going to show you guys what the pig farm looks like, and also show you the piglets that they want to buy and so on. So I also want to make some repairs on one of my pen because because they opened it, so that's just what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you guys. Please ignore my face. I'm tired. I'm just waking up, not long. So yeah. Say hello.
Hello, hi.
So that's my Uber. The Uber that used to take care of my pigs. Drama queen is one of my pigs, an expected mother. This is her sister that has refused to grow big, the last born from her mother. They were about, I think, 5.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could to change. I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Action. So yeah, I just sold off 3 piglets. Someone will come to pick the remaining, but for now we're just going back home, going to my house. So yeah, bye.